Times are hard for dairy farmers in Wisconsin. The dairy state is losing its dairy farms in staggering numbers. Adrienne Pedersen is here now with a look at what's causing the crisis. Adrienne.
Mike, Wisconsin has lost nearly half its dairy farms in just the last 15 years. Farms big and small are struggling. So today, we're asking if dairy farms can make a comeback. It's feeding time at Cozy Nook Farm in Waukesha. Tom Oberhaus runs this 65-cow dairy farm.
Yeah, it's long days. That's part of life on the farm. If this is strictly business, we would have been out a long time ago.
Their milk goes to a co-op that provides the cheese for Goldfish crackers and the Swiss cheese for Culver's burgers.
And we do it because we have a passion for the cows. We love the cows.
They also sell pumpkins and Christmas trees here seasonally, and they say that's what keeps the dairy side of the business up and running.
Probably from now till next fall, we probably are not going to make a buck.
In the last year, Wisconsin lost more than 700 dairy farms, leaving just more than 8,000. 10 years ago, the state had more than 13,300 dairy farms. Oberhaus is training a 22-year-old, Dan Garretts, to take over the farm someday.
My grandpa is a farmer, my great-grandfather was a farmer, and farming just just pushes through my veins like no other.
Are you worried about the state of dairy farms right now in Wisconsin?
Yeah. Yep. And I know a lot of farmers that have called it quits.
We've seen better prices.
Paul Mitchell, a professor of agriculture and applied economics at the University of Wisconsin-Madison, studies what's happening on Wisconsin's farms. Along with farmer Oberhaus, he blames milk prices. When do you think milk prices will get better?
The margins are expected to get a little better here in the next 6 months, but it's not like they're going to be high times, everyone making a ton of money. It's going to be very tight for a while.
Back at Cozy Nook, this farmer is still holding on. Do you worry that you'll become one of these statistics of farms shutting down?
Yeah, because it's kind of like the ultimate failure. You know, there's the generations before ours that has worked this land and worked these cows, and if we're the generation that can't make it, it's kind of the ultimate failure.
And Adrienne is with us now, and you said in your story, Adrienne, that the milk prices have a lot to do with this. That's really what's at least fueling a lot of this.
That's right. So we're checking the latest prices, and 90% of Wisconsin milk is actually used for cheese. So I just checked, and the January cheese price was up 18 cents from the previous month, which the farmer we talked to said that's still, it's up, but it's not much to smile about. We're expecting the new cheese numbers to come out this upcoming week.
Well, we've heard a lot about retaliatory tariffs. There's been a lot of talk about tariffs, the impact they're having on agriculture and on farmers. What do we know about that?
So I asked the farmer about it, and he said this truly just made a bad situation worse. It didn't cause this problem on dairy farms in Wisconsin, but it definitely didn't help. And that's what the professor said, too. They said that Mexico used to be a great place for dairy, and it's just really slowed down now.
All right, Adrienne, and we want to mention again, you'll be taking the reins next week. Great to have you here, and congratulations and good luck.
Thank you.
All right. I'll be back with some final thoughts on 11 years of hosting Upfront. 11 years, can you believe it? Goes by quickly.